The Kinloc Bolt is a mechanically anchored bolt that allows for fast and easy installation. In addition to the standard frictional force, this bolt provides a tensionable point anchor through a solid internal bolt. The Kinloc Bolt system features an expansion mechanism with M24 thread generates significant point anchoring capacity. A blind nut means no tail protrusion, and an event capture system in the event of bar rupture. The benefits of this bolt are high-capacity bolting without the need for cartridge resin. The collar is fully welded to the friction bolt, and faster bolting cycle times. When installing the Kinloc Bolt, position it at the hole and slot on a plate prior to installation. Insert the Kinloc bolt and plate into the hole. Using full percussion and thrust, the bolt is fully driven into the hole until the plate is firmly against the rock surface. Please note that the hole length should allow additional distance for the point anchoring head-on insertion. The spanner dolly is rotated left without percussion until stall to allow the point anchoring head to expand the bolt end. The Kinloc Bolt is available in two specifications, Standard and SE. The difference is within the mechanical properties of the bar. The Kinloc Standard has a more rigid internal bolt and delivers a higher total system capacity of over 30 tons. The Kinloc SE uses a more ductile internal bolt with a total system capacity of 24 tons, while allowing for increased elongation after installation. Standard bolt lengths range from 1.5 meters to 3 meters in 300 millimeter increments. Non-standard lengths are available if required. Both of the Kinloc bolt styles incorporate an event capture system, or ECS, to retain the bar in the event of bar fracture due to bar overload or shear.